Colin, judge number 2 and judge number 3 to be in the sash and to give the award.
Ilay gani ba? Ang alas pa. Dili pag maglapas pa na.
Wala ka ron puli. Ayaw puli mi.
Bala ni tulo.
Ay gito na. Nami pa yung asa sa pagod. Ngitam ginan.
Okay, congratulations, candidate number 2. Now let's move on to the best in swimwear. Okay, our best in swimwear is candidate number. Best in swimwear is candidate number 1. And to present the award, may I call on judge number 4 and Mr. Herbert.
Ulan na.
Nin, titipin.
Tigil mo tayo.
Iwan wen. Berak kang lah. Igo ha, maigon tumoy. Tahu? Maigon tahu bau. Ulan.
Okay, may request the 6 lovely candidates na mo one line lang sa mo lihok sa likod na para mo forward ang makakuha sa award. Okay? Our next minor award is Best in Talent. Our Best in Talent is candidate number. Okay, our Best in Talent is candidate number 2, Miss Kyla. And to present the award, may I request judge number 1 and judge number 4 to present the award. Congratulations to candidate number 2. Now let's move on to the next minor award, Best in Sportswear. Okay, sa man yung bet ato sa sports. Okay, our Best in Sportswear is candidate number 6. To present the award, may I call on judge number 1 and judge number 3 to present the award. Congratulations, candidate number 6. Now let's move on to the next minor award, which is the Best in Long Gown. Okay, kinsa yung best? Ha? Away lang gown. Okay, our best in long gown is candidate number 5. And to present the award, may I call in judge number 2 and judge number 3 to present the award.
Champion ko na si Kate.
Congratulations, candidate number 5. Now let's move on to our Miss Q&A. Okay, kinsa may bansa na ba nila? Okay, our Miss Q&A is candidate number Candidate number 5. Okay, sorry, isa kadali lang. Asan? Okay. Wala na tunong. Okay, so sorry, candidate number 5. Okay, na Colombia atong show, no? Okay, sige. Our Miss Q&A is candidate number 4. And to present the award, may I call on judge number 4 and her husband. Okay, congratulations, candidate number 4. Now let's move on to our Miss Photogenic. Okay, kinsa man ang face card dira? Pinakagwapa. Photogenic tayo kayo sa kamera. Okay, our Miss Photogenic is candidate candidate number 6. And to present the award, may I call on judge number 4 and Sir Romeo. Okay, we are done with our minor awards. Now let's move on to our major awards. Now, major awards na ni siya. Okay, let's start with the 5th runner-up. 5th runner-up.
Start sa 5.
Okay, our fifth runner-up is candidate number 5. Okay. Okay, to present the award, Mayor Colin, Mr. Romeo and Judge number 4. To give the cash prize. Okay, now let's move on to our fourth runner-up. Our fourth runner-up is candidate candidate number 1. And to present the award, may I call Judge number 4 and Mr. Romeo Lawas to give the cash prize. Now let's move on to our third runner-up. Our third runner-up is candidate number 3. Miss Jaffa. And to present the award, may I call in Judge number 1 and Sir Romeo Lawas to give the cash prize. Okay, congratulations, candidate number 3. Now, ang atong top 3 is candidate number 6, candidate number 4, and candidate number 2. So, kinsa jud ka muulian ni nila sa corona, no? Okay. Okay. Now, let's proceed to our second runner-up. Our second runner-up is candidate number... I shout and say yung ganahan ni ma second runner-up. Okay, our second runner-up is candidate number 4. To present the award, may call Judge number 3 and Sarina Susun.
Ulat sagon.
Okay, congratulations to candidate number 4. Okay, may I request the remaining candidates, candidate number 4, candidate number 6, and candidate number 2 to please count forward. Okay, dapat magatubangay dyan mo para sa Miss Universe. No? Okay. Ang akong unang tawagon kaya nga ito first runner-up. Okay. Kung kinsa to wala na ko natawag mo to siya kang automatic siya kang Miss Ansulag 2026. Again, akong klaruhon nga ang una na kong tawag ang ato ang first runner-up. Okay, our first runner-up is candidate number. Candidate number. Candidate number. Okay, salamat kayo no sa Sir Romeo Lawas no sa pag-invite na mo diri sa ilahang event which is the Miss Ansulag 2026. Okay. Our first runner-up is candidate number. Candidate number. Okay, salamat dahil kayo sa mga katauhan nga ni Adto diri karon itambong sa atong event Miss Ansulag 2026. Our first runner-up is candidate number. Candidate number 2.
Panalo yung ano.
Candidate number 2 ang ato ang first runner-up. And our Miss Ansulag 2026 is candidate number 6. At to present sa ato ang first runner-up para sa iyang award, may kalan Judge number 2 and Judge number 4. Once again, our Miss Ansulag 2026 is candidate number 6. Let's give them a round of applause. And to present the award, we call in Judge number 3 and Mr. Romeo